These are the 5 best pieces of fitness advice that I've ever received, which I still keep close to my heart to this day, and I think it could help you too. 1. Stop waiting for Monday. If you're waiting for Monday to start, or even worse, you're waiting for the first of the month, or even way worse, you're waiting for New Year's, and you're able to start right now, you're just waiting and planning and mentally prepping yourself. If I can convince you to start right now, please do. If you get into the habit of only doing things when the stars are aligned or your schedule is completely free, you're not going to get used to prioritizing fitness and you might become inconsistent in your journey. What I do suggest is start now, but start slow. Remember, your fitness journey is not a 9-to-5 job, it's a lifestyle. Think of it that way and you'll be a lot more successful in your journey. 2, you have to be disciplined to work out even when you're not motivated. Doing things when you're motivated is easy because you're motivated to do it, but you gotta do the hard stuff too. Discipline is doing things that you don't necessarily want to do right now, but you're gonna do it anyway because you know it's for the greater good. Be disciplined when you're not motivated. 3, learn to rest when you're tired, but never quit. If you're tired, you need time off, that's totally fine, but don't give up completely. Recover and come back stronger than ever. 4, fitness is not only about looks. Train to be strong, train to be healthy, your body will follow. We don't have to all look like bodybuilders to have a good, happy life. 5, it doesn't have to hurt. No pain, no gain is actually not true. If you're not an athlete or a competitor, you should not be hurting yourself during your workouts. You shouldn't be crawling out of every single session and then the next day being in complete pain you're not able to walk. I mean, it's possible that might happen once in a while, but not every single workout. You should feel a little bit tired, but you should feel good, a boost of energy. And as you progress in your fitness journey, you should feel stronger and more energized, not the opposite. I hope these 5 tips helped you as they helped me. Wishing you all the best on your journey.